This McLaren 600LT came in all the way from Oklahoma after the owner experienced some serious engine trouble. While driving, the car felt like it went into limp mode. Flames shot out the passenger side exhaust tip, and when he tried to restart it, all he heard was a bad clunking noise. Knowing it was serious, he had the car transported straight to us. After tearing it down, we found a broken finger follower and a worn camshaft. Definitely not good news. But since the engine was already out, it was the perfect time to give it the CSO treatment with a Spec-T engine rebuild, including upgraded connecting rods and 2 new cylinder heads. With the car back up and running, we custom dyno tuned it with M Engineering, meticulously data logging and optimizing every parameter to ensure safe, reliable, and repeatable power. The result was 694 wheel horsepower and 730 pound-feet of torque on 93 octane pump gas. Now with a robust CSO-built engine, the owner can drive with peace of mind, knowing that his 600LT has a strong foundation for even more power and mods in the future. Every McLaren engine build we do is backed by 3 decades of motorsports experience. If you're looking for a McLaren engine build, performance package, repair, or maintenance, give Jordan a call today.